Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to make a call using Norvi ESP32 based industrial controller. So as this ESP32 based industrial controller is having GSM capability, we can make a call and we can send SMS as well. Okay, so in the previous video we have covered that how you can make a call using this controller, and now in this video we are going to see that how you can send SMS using this Norvi ESP32 based GSM controller. So I have already added my Airtel SIM card inside this controller. Okay, so now we are going to send SMS to my phone number using this controller. So this is just an example. Okay, you can use this example to create your own application for your own industry. Okay, so here you can see here is my phone. Okay, I hope both of the things is visible. Okay, now what we will do is we will open the Arduino sketch for our Norvi ESP32 based GSM controller to send the SMS. So here is the example, send SMS example, and we are going to open the Arduino file. So here we have the example to send SMS from our Norvi ESP32 based industrial controller. What you have to do is for this example, you just have to change the phone number. Okay, and you just have to upload this code to your industrial controller, and once the controller start, it will send SMS to the provided mobile number with provided message. Okay, now you can use this entire example to create your own personal and industrial application to send SMS to your operator at some high point value, some low point value on some alarms. Okay, so you can do that. Now what we will do is we will change the phone number here. Okay, and we are going to upload this code to our industrial controller. Okay, so I have added my number here. Now we will compile this program. Okay, so there are no error in this code. So now what we will do is we will upload this code to our industrial controller. Okay, so we have successfully uploaded. Now here you can see starting GSM SMS sender, and we have sent 80 command to the GSM module. We have received the OK response. Okay, and we are checking the SIM card status and everything is ready. And we are changing the mode to the text for the SMS, and now we are sending SMS to my cell phone number. Okay, SMS sent successfully. GSM SMS test done. Now here we will wait for a few seconds, and here you can see we have received this SMS. So let me zoom it. Hello from Norvi GSM controller. Now what we will do is we will update the message. Okay, so this is message number 2, and I'm going to upload the code again. Okay, and once we successfully upload the code, the controller will run again and it will again send the new message to my mobile number. Okay, here you can see sending SMS to this number, SMS sent successfully, and GSM SMS test done. And here you can see hello from Norvi controller, and this is the second message. Okay, so this is how you can use this Norvi ESP32 based industrial controller to make the call and to send the SMS to any number as per your application. Now if you have any question or any doubt in this example, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. Also you can ping me on LinkedIn, you can send me a mail, or you can comment on this video. Now we are going to meet you in the future videos, and in the future videos we will see how you can use this controller with MQTT. Also we'll cover that how you can receive the SMS and extract the data from that SMS, how you can receive the call, and based on the certain phone number you can turn on some LED or you can do some other stuffs. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, Take care, goodbye, and thank you.